Hello, Smart Dollar Resource family. What a joy it is to have you here again. We are thrilled to welcome all our new subscribers. Your support means a lot to us. Today, we're diving into a topic that's fundamental to both our personal and financial growth: investment. The world of stocks, bonds, dividends, and portfolios can seem complex, but it doesn't have to be. That's why we're exploring Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, a beginner's guide to leveling up your money, by Erin Lowry today. This book takes the confusion out of investing, making it accessible and understandable for everyone, especially the millennials among us. It's more than just a guide. It's a tool for empowerment, a stepping stone to financial independence. So, buckle up as we navigate through the money maze, and remember, the links in the description box are there to further support your journey. Let's dive into this intriguing book that demystifies the world of investing for millennials. So, what's this book all about, you may ask? Well, let me introduce you to Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, a beginner's guide to leveling up your money, penned by the brilliant Erin Lowry. This book is not just another financial guide. It's a financial compass, pointing you in the right direction to navigate the complex world of investing. Erin Lowry, the author, is a millennial herself who understands the struggles of her peers when it comes to money matters. She is known for her uncanny ability to break down complex financial jargon into plain English. Her goal? To help her generation understand the vast universe of investing, and to break the stereotype that millennials are financially irresponsible. Broke Millennial Takes on Investing is designed to guide millennials and investment beginners through their journey of leveling up their money. It's a comprehensive guide that covers everything from basics like what a stock is, to more complex matters like how to build an investment portfolio that suits your risk tolerance and financial goals. Through her book, Lowry offers a step-by-step roadmap to investing. But she doesn't just stop at teaching you what to do, she also teaches you what not to do. She emphasizes the importance of avoiding common investment pitfalls, which can potentially save you from financial heartache down the line. But don't get it twisted, this book is not just for beginners. Even if you're an experienced investor, Lowry's insights can provide a fresh perspective and potentially introduce you to investment strategies you haven't considered before. The purpose of this book is not just to teach, but to empower. It's about giving you the tools and knowledge to take control of your financial future. It's about helping you make informed decisions and not just blindly following the advice of so-called financial gurus. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and Broke Millennial Takes on Investing could be that first step for you. The book goes beyond just explaining. It empowers you to take control of your finances. Every guide has its strengths and weaknesses. Let's explore them. The might of Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, a beginner's guide to leveling up your money, lies in its simplicity. Erin Lowry has a knack for breaking down complex financial concepts into digestible, relatable nuggets. This guide strikes a balance between being informative and approachable, making it a go-to resource for beginners. It's chock full of practical tips, real-world examples, and actionable advice. One of the significant advantages of this guide is its relatability. Lowry speaks from her experiences as a millennial, making it easier for readers from the same generation to connect. The book's tone is conversational, almost like you're having a chat with a financially savvy friend, which makes the learning process feel less daunting. However, no guide is without its flaws. One potential drawback of Broke Millennial Takes on Investing is its focus on American financial systems. While the principles of investing are universal, some of the specifics may not apply to readers outside the United States. Therefore, international readers might need to do a bit of additional research to fully understand their country's investing landscape. Additionally, while the book is excellent for beginners, it may not offer much for experienced investors. The guide is a primer, laying the groundwork for investing, but doesn't dive deep into advanced strategies or concepts. For those looking to expand their knowledge beyond the basics, they might need to seek more comprehensive resources. Lastly, the book is heavily focused on traditional investing routes like stocks and bonds. While these are indeed critical aspects of investing, the lack of information about alternative investments such as cryptocurrencies or real estate might leave some readers wanting more. As with everything else, understanding the pros and cons helps us get the most out of this guide. Broke Millennial Takes on Investing is a powerful tool for newcomers to the world of investing, providing a solid foundation. However, like any tool, it's most effective when used correctly, knowing where it shines and where it might need a little extra help. Understanding is the first step, but application is the key. Indeed, comprehension is the bedrock of any endeavor, but the magic truly happens when you translate that understanding into action. Erin Lowry's book, Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, A Beginner's Guide to Leveling Up Your Money, is a treasure trove of knowledge, but what sets it apart is how it guides you to apply that knowledge to your financial journey. Let's delve into how you can use the wisdom from the book to your advantage. Picture this. You're a beginner investor, unsure of where to begin or how to navigate the stock market's choppy waters. This book acts as your financial compass, guiding you through the basics of investing, from understanding the stock market to diversifying your portfolio. One of the key lessons from the book is the importance of starting early. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated. If you start investing in your 20s instead of your 30s, you give your money a whole extra decade to grow. Another lesson is about understanding risk. Investing always involves a degree of risk, but Lowry simplifies it, helping you understand the difference between calculated risks and reckless gambles. She emphasizes the importance of diversifying your portfolio to spread the risk and increase the potential for returns. Then, there's the lesson on understanding your investment style. Are you a hands-on investor who likes to stay on top of trends and make your own decisions? Or would you rather leave it to the professionals while you focus on other things? Lowry explains the pros and cons of both approaches, helping you make an informed decision. Another crucial takeaway from the book is the importance of staying informed. The world of investing is ever evolving, and to stay ahead, you must keep learning. Lowry encourages readers to keep abreast of financial news and trends and to continually educate themselves about different investment options. Lastly, Lowry teaches us that investing is not just about making money. It's also about aligning your financial decisions with your personal values. Whether it's investing in green stocks or supporting businesses that champion social causes you believe in, your investment portfolio can be a reflection of who you are and what you stand for. These lessons are not just theoretical concepts to be learned, but practical tools to be applied. By starting early, understanding risk, knowing your investment style, staying informed, and aligning your investments with your values, you can navigate the investment landscape with greater confidence and purpose. Remember, knowledge is not just about accumulation, it's about application. It's about taking what you've learned and putting it into action. That's where the real transformation happens. That's how you level up your money. So pick up Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, A Beginner's Guide to Leveling Up Your Money, and let it be the catalyst for your financial growth. Remember, knowledge is power, but only when put into action. Let's distill the wisdom of this book into 5 key takeaways. First off, start where you are. Erin Lowry emphasizes that you don't have to be a Wall Street hotshot to start investing. Whether you're a recent graduate with a mountain of student debt, a mid-career professional living paycheck to paycheck, or a retiree looking to grow your nest egg, it's never too late or too early to start investing. Secondly, knowledge is power. This book doesn't just tell you to invest, it teaches you how. It's a beginner-friendly guide that explains complex financial concepts in a way that's easy to understand. From ETFs and mutual funds to bonds and stocks, Erin breaks down the jargon so you can make informed investment decisions. The third takeaway is, diversify your portfolio. Erin advises against putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, she encourages readers to distribute their investments across different asset classes. This approach reduces risk and increases the potential for higher returns. Fourthly, invest for the long term. Erin stresses the importance of patience in investing. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's about building wealth over time. She discourages day trading and short-term speculation, advocating instead for a long-term buy-and-hold strategy. And finally, the 5th lesson is, make investing a habit. Erin recommends making regular contributions to your investment account, no matter how small. She suggests setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. This way, you make investing a part of your routine, just like paying bills or going to the gym. These lessons, when applied, can truly level up your investment game. So, what can we take away from Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, A Beginner's Guide to Leveling Up Your Money? Firstly, we've seen that Erin Lowry's book serves as a comprehensive guide for individuals, especially millennials, who are just starting out in their investment journey. It's a tool that demystifies the complex world of investing and makes it approachable and understandable. In our discussion, we've highlighted the pros and cons of the book. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but it does offer a wealth of information that can help beginners make informed decisions. The book's straightforward language, relatable anecdotes, and practical advice make it an excellent starting point. We've also explored how to understand and apply the knowledge presented in the book. There's no magic formula for success in the stock market, but with the right strategy and mindset, it's possible to grow your wealth steadily over time. We've delved into the 5 key lessons that Lowry's book teaches. These include understanding your financial situation, learning about different investment options, managing risks, staying patient, and continuously educating yourself. These lessons are not just applicable to investing, but to managing personal finances in general. Throughout this video, we've emphasized the importance of financial education and informed investment. The stock market can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. With the right resources, anyone can learn to navigate it. Broke Millennial Takes on Investing is one such resource. It's a guide that can help you start your investment journey on the right foot. But remember, it's just the beginning. Continuous learning and staying informed are crucial to becoming a successful investor. As we wrap up, let's remember that investing isn't just about making money. It's also about achieving financial independence, securing your future, and making your money work for you. Investing might seem daunting, but with the right guide, it's a journey anyone can embark on. So why not start today? After all, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. That's a wrap on today's insightful journey through Erin Lowry's book, Broke Millennial Takes on Investing, a beginner's guide to leveling up your money. We've delved into the purpose of the book, weighed its pros and cons, explored how to use its teachings to our advantage, and highlighted 5 key lessons that can help us grow wealth in the stock market. We've also discussed the power of knowledge and the importance of continuous learning in the world of investing. As we conclude this video, I want to express my deepest gratitude for your time. You've chosen to spend these precious minutes with us, diving into the world of investing and learning how to level up your money. And for that, I am truly thankful. If you enjoyed our journey today and found it helpful, I encourage you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our work and enables us to keep creating content that helps you navigate the financial world with ease and confidence. I also invite you to join the conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. What did you learn from today's video? What other topics would you like us to cover? Your input is invaluable in shaping the content we create and the community we build here at Smart Dollar Resource. Don't forget to check the description box below for a treasure trove of useful resources. You'll find links to purchase Erin Lowry's book, a broker app called MooMoo, and other materials that can support your journey towards financial literacy and independence. Remember, knowledge is power, and every resource you utilize brings you one step closer to becoming a savvy investor. As we part ways today, I want to leave you with this reminder. Everyone starts somewhere, and every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. So, keep learning, keep investing, and keep growing. Until next time, goodbye and take care.